Make
Gotcha.
sense? All right.
Okay.
So the first word that we have for you, Nina, is learn.
Okay. I think that we have to understand that when it comes to growth and wealth, it's really not what you learn, it's really unlearning. We've been taught to do things a way. What I mean by a way is go to work, go to school, come out, you have this big load of student loan debt. What's amazing is that they'll give you $250,000 for student loan debt, but won't give you $20,000 to start a business. Now, I do understand that we need people to work jobs. So I'm not talking down about jobs, but what I'm saying is be open to other ideals and ways of doing things. So it's not really learning, it's unlearning a cycle of working 40 years or 40 hours or more a week to only retire off of 40% of what you already couldn't afford to live off of. So be willing to unlearn a cycle or a system that you've been put in based on what other people think you should be doing, and then unlearn so that you can learn a new way.
Love it. The next word we have for you is decide.
Decide. Make it. See, I got mad. Mad means I made a decision to draw a line in the sand and say, you know what? Enough is enough. And when you decide that enough is enough and that you are willing to do whatever it takes to change your current situation. See, people, it doesn't take $1 million. What it takes is this boom. The moment that you decide that no matter what it takes, that you're gonna go all in and you stop making excuses, because excuses are the tools of the incompetent. And those that use them seldom have any success. So decide, get mad enough to make a decision that enough is enough is enough is enough, and that you're ready for a change and you're ready for it right now.
Amazing. The next word that we have for you is become.
You said become?
Become.
All right, so become, I love the word become. Become, because I believe that we become a product of our environment. And so even while, I don't mean like just because you live in a hood or you live in an area, that's not what I mean, but a product of our environment. So when I wanted to become a better version of myself, I started pouring in something different than, so I stopped. Now TV, I'm not gonna say that TV is a bad thing. It's just a bad thing if you got an ultimate goal. And so I stopped watching TV. I stopped allowing myself to be around negativity because I wanted to become a better or a better version of myself. And daily I am seeking and desirous and working towards becoming a better version of myself every day. So become what you're looking for. Become what you're looking for. And because the laws of attraction don't lie, you're only attracting right now who and what you are. If you become what it is you're looking for, you will automatically, because the laws of attraction don't lie, begin to attract what you desire. Become.
Wow. The next word we have for you is worth.
Worth. Know your worth. Your worth is not measured in what you have. Your past doesn't dictate who you are today, but know your worth. Know that you were designed for greatness. You were created in His image. Know that you were put on this earth to live a life of abundance, and that it's our job to create and design the life that we know we deserve. So don't worry about who you were. Don't worry about what you haven't done. Don't worry about the mistakes that you've made. All of those have been washed away, white as snow. You're worthy of living a life better than what you're living right now. And you're worthy of living the life that you've been dreaming about. Pull those dreams down off the shelf, dust them off, and understand that you're worth every bit of every grit, of every tear, of every piece of sacrifice that you've got to give to live the life that you desire.
The very last word that we have for you is great.
Woo! One of my favorite words, right? because I really believe that you are great. If you're listening to me, I want you to understand that I know that life has been tough for many of us. I know that you probably made some mistakes along the way. All of us have. But you've got to understand that everything you need really is already inside of you. You are great. You're not trying to become great. What it is you're waiting for the manifestation of all of your greatness to come to the surface. Well, when you start to shed all of your doubt, all of your fear, all of your insecurity, right? All of your low self-esteem, all of those things. And you know what? Run from people who are constantly negative, right? Get into a new circle. If your family and friends are your negative Nancy's, then go network with perfect strangers. If you're saying, I don't know anybody, go around some people who you don't, because iron sharpens iron. So some of you are hanging around some butter knives. If you want to become great, you got to get around some people that are going to challenge you, because you are great, but you don't see it that it's deep down inside of you. So just like a diamond, you want to be a diamond? You're saying you want to be a diamond? Then you got to be willing to get cut. But know that even in the getting cut, right? Because you are that diamond in the rough. We're just now ready to peel all those layers off so that you can really shine like the bright diamond that you are. Greatness is inside of you. It's time for you to manifest that greatness. Step into your greatness, leap into your greatness, jump into your greatness, because you are great.
Thinking, need a life for the ideas. I'm in the splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up and my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Never trust these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace. Mom's is worried, I need to change my ways. I maybe cop the crib, I need a redwoods. Rake the leaves of